Welcome back to 3 Minute Hikes. Today we'll be visiting Twin Falls in the Cascade Mountains. For today's hike, we'll be traveling about 3 miles and climbing 500 feet. The trail hugs the south fork of the Snoqualmie River for the first part of the hike. Moss decorates the trees. We catch our first glimpse of the falls. A short spur trail leads to a viewpoint with an up-close and personal view of the falls. We climb 100 or so stairs back to the main trail and continue on. From the big bridge, we look up at a new set of falls on one side, and down at the falls we just viewed a moment ago from the viewpoint. A short climb takes us to one last overlook and a view of the upper falls. That's all for now. See you next time.
Go, 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 go.